Welcome to Home Design Channel. Step into a realm of boundless creativity, where architectural innovation, breathtaking interior-exterior designs, and awe-inspiring home decorations converge to redefine the essence of living.
Today we will explore a visual feast where the charm of rustic interiors seamlessly blends with the tranquility of lush greenery. We invite you on a captivating journey through a house that epitomizes the perfect harmony between rustic style and the embrace of nature's beauty. As you step through the entrance, you are immediately greeted by the warm, earthy tones that define the rustic aesthetic. Exposed wooden beams traverse the ceiling, creating a sense of openness and inviting you into a space that feels both cozy and expansive. The walls, adorned with aged brick or reclaimed wood panels, add a timeless touch, telling stories of the past and creating a unique backdrop for the contemporary living experience. The living room, bathed in soft natural light, features plush sofas and vintage leather armchairs that beckon you to sink into their comfort. A centerpiece stone fireplace exudes warmth, while the carefully curated decor elements, such as wrought iron candle holders and vintage rugs, add layers of character to the space. But what truly sets this home apart is the seamless transition from the rustic interior to the vibrant outdoors. As you make your way through large glass doors, you find yourself standing on the threshold of a lush green garden, or perhaps an enchanting courtyard, depending on the design of the house. The garden, a verdant oasis, becomes a natural extension of the interior, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a weathered wooden bench, surrounded by the gentle rustling of leaves and the melody of chirping birds. A perfect way to start your day. For those fortunate enough to have an indoor courtyard, the experience is equally enchanting. Picture a tranquil space adorned with potted plants and cascading vines, creating a sanctuary of calmness within the heart of the home. Sunlight filters through skylights, casting a warm glow on the rustic elements like aged stone pathways and antique wrought iron furniture. As you explore further, you'll find charming corners and alcoves that beckon you to sit and contemplate the beauty of the surroundings. It's a testament to the thoughtful design that seamlessly integrates the rustic interior with the flourishing greenery, creating a living environment that is both aesthetically pleasing and deeply connected to nature. As we conclude this enchanting journey through the marriage of rustic allure and the verdant embrace of nature, one cannot help but reflect on the timeless beauty that unfolds within the walls of this extraordinary home. The interplay between rustic interiors and the surrounding green haven creates a living symphony. An ode to harmonious living that transcends the boundaries of architectural design. This isn't just a house. It's a testament to the thoughtful integration of human habitation and the natural world. The rustic elements, with their weathered charm and earthy textures, seamlessly coalesce with the vibrant hues of the thriving garden or the intimate courtyard, weaving a narrative of interconnectedness and tranquility. It's an invitation to blur the lines between the man-made and the organic, a call to immerse oneself in the soothing embrace of nature. Each space within this home is a carefully curated canvas, inviting residents and visitors alike to engage in a sensory experience that transcends the visual. As we bid adieu to this captivating journey, let the essence of rustic elegance and lush greenery linger in your imagination. In conclusion, this house serves as a testament to the magical synergy between rustic elegance and the soothing embrace of nature. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this immersive tour of a home where rustic style and lush greenery dance in perfect harmony. May it inspire you to seek a harmonious balance between the man-made and the organic in your own living spaces. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring exploration, and until next time, may your homes be filled with the timeless magic of rustic allure and natural splendor.